Good morning, friends. Principal Dr. Anil Adsule, Saint Vincent College of Commerce. All the library professionals, those who are attending this FDV from various colleges across the nation. This FDP is organized with the help of Savitribai Phule Pune University, UGC Human Resource Development Center. First of all, I appreciate the endeavor undertaken by the college, especially with the help of UGC Human Resource Development Center. I think this is one of the important steps nowadays because pandemic has spread across the globe. COVID-19 has caused endless miseries to people across the globe. We all are facing multiple problems simultaneously in industry, in business, in education. In fact, all spheres of our life have been hit heavily because of this COVID-19 pandemic. In this situation, we need to come together, we need to collaborate, we need to cooperate. As far as higher education is concerned, it is one of the important spectrum, not only in our country, but across the globe. As we know, whatever happens in business, industry, economy, and that is because of good research, good higher education. And higher education and industry, business, economy are interdependent. Quality of business is largely dependent upon quality of higher education that we impart in the colleges. That is what is required today in this pandemic situation. We need to use various digital platforms for teaching, educating, empowering, learning, even evaluation of the children in the schools and colleges. I know online education, digital education has got number of problems, issues. Some shortcomings are there. But in the given situation, in this great difficult times, there is no alternative than online education. I believe that in higher education or in school education, blended learning is must. But today, because of physical distance and all those restrictions, it is not possible to meet face to face. It is not possible to conduct the classes physically. And that is why we have to think of such platforms wherein we can reach out to the students, we can transfer the knowledge, we can inculcate the skills and values among the students, because higher education basically is meant for preparing capable and ethical leadership for various spectrums, for various sectors. Leaders are very, very crucial in order to check out the program, implement the program, take the wonderful decisions for the development of economy. When economy is in a good state, then only we can generate employment to the masses. So employment is very important. We know what type of sufferings our laborers are subjected to because of lockdown and pandemic situation. Friends, Why we have to very, very serious and sincere? As a teacher, I must tell you, our Indian higher education is one of the biggest higher education system in the world, and 3.74 crore students are taking education in colleges and universities. It is a big number. This number is larger than the population of numerous countries in the world. That is why, as a teacher, as an educator, we have to be very, very sincere, serious in our endeavors, efforts, in all levels, in admission, in library, in classroom, in evaluation, teaching, IQAC, sending the reports. In all aspects, we have to be very, very sincere because we are dealing with large number of students in higher education system. These students are going to become leaders in various sectors in business, industry, banking, insurance, even in governance, public sector, private sector, even in army, everywhere. These are the students. They are going to become leaders, decision makers, policy makers, and they are will be responsible taking this country to the next level. That is why in this difficult situation, I must congratulate, appreciate the college and all the library friends, those who have taken participation actively and they are engaged in one of the important activity in higher education sector. Friends, in our country, 993 universities are there, and 40,000 colleges are there, and 10,000 standalone institutions are working. This is a big, big higher education system. That is why we are instrumental in shaping the country, shaping the businesses, shaping the industry, and ours is a commerce college. St. Vincent Commerce College has taken very, very effective step. I must congratulate the management, Dr. Anil Adasole sir, all the staff members, especially librarian of this college. He has taken a lot of pain in organizing this FDP, and this is the last day of FDP. What we are going to implement in our libraries, in the colleges, that is very important. Training is one part, but what is important is implementation. And I must admire and appreciate uh, the theme given for this FDP, and this is for whom? Wonderful nomenclature they have been they have given, that is library professionals, not librarians. These are professionals. Profession means body of knowledge, code of conduct, ethics, service. These are the features of profession. We are service provider. We have to be very, very knowledgeable, and we have to uh, follow and adhere to the ethical standards of our Indian higher education system, our own universities, our own colleges, whatever atmosphere and culture we have built in the colleges, that should be taken to the next level, and that exactly through this FDP is happening in St. Vincent Commerce College. I know you all library professionals have come from various colleges, various universities from across the country. Friends, you are going to implement whatever knowledge and skill, digital knowledge you have acquired in this FDP for the purpose of creation of e-content, for the purpose of preservation of e-content. At the same time, what is very important is dissemination of e-content. That e-content has to be transferred to the students. The books are there, but books are not used. That is not important. Periodicals are there, articles are there, but nobody is using. It is a waste of wealth of our nation. Whatever e-content is going to be created, that has to be professionally, neatly preserved, and you are the people instrumental. You are the people responsible, accountable for creating and preserving in best manner. That for that purpose, we have to have all principles in implementation, And at the same time, I must tell you what is important is implementation and dissemination. That information, that knowledge, that insight has to be transferred to the actual end users. Those are the students. So you are not only professionals, not only librarians, but you are the important mentors in the library, and that is happening through this FDP. Once again, I congratulate all the participants, all the library professionals for joining this important FDP, and I express my gratitude to the principal, St. Vincent College of Commerce, for inviting for this function. Thank you so very much. Thanks a lot.